sometimes you gotta live with what you have. I was allergic to flowers when I was young. During culinary school, it was the first time I touched sugar flowers. I didn't know we can do so much with sugar. I mainly look at books and pictures and go from there. I love the rose the most. It's not a difficult flower, but it does take time to learn. I've learned from different teachers like Ron Ben Israel, Betty Nordstrom. I take all their different skills and create my own flower. I also want to be able to teach other people who enjoy this beautiful art as well as who's allergic to flowers this masterpiece. This is Rosetta from The Sweet Spot. This is my course on breadcrumbs.